What do we have here? This, man, this is a Sunjo 2030. Was the PSI Max. This is a pressure washer that I picked up for free. It's reset. I don't know if it worked or whatever. How you seeing it is how I saw it when I got it for free. And my thought was, okay, I could always put it back out, you know? Off, on. But it was also, I thought that this would work well for up here up front, but I want to, well, it's like a bike or something, you know? Well, yeah, this got to be for soap. You know, I thought that'd be perfect for something like that. So that's why I decided to pick it up. Just want to close it up. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna put my water hose to it. I'm gonna plug it up and we're gonna test fire it. Can't hurt nothing. It has a surge suppressor on the plug, and my wall plug is a surge suppressor also. So it'll trip. I'm not gonna tie nothing up. Hopefully. Okay, let's put that over there because I want to get water to it first. Usually it's best to get water in it so it kind of prime, which would be here. I got to get my water hose. Also put it in the grass. No, okay, you got to wind the hose up. That could be what went wrong with it, because you would have them gaskets up in here. Okay, I got to put my water hose up and bring you right back. Okay, let's plug this thing up. I got the water on. Got a light here, so got power. On the side here, see off and on. Oh, I had to put this little brass fitting in there for the hook on there. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. I can't tell if it's clogged or not, tell you the truth. Kind of seem that way, like it's clogged. Let's turn this off. Gotta pull that wand. Let's see if that wand clogged. Need more of those. I did unplug it so that I'll have a little room. Plus, I'm thinking here or here. Taking it apart and seeing something. If it's just clogged up, you can fix something like that. Okay, the water came through here, so I'm thinking it's just the wand clogged up, really. Yep. Okay, that comes off. Okay, so it ain't that part, because I can see all the way through that. So it's got to be the tip. Okay, let's put this back and see if water comes through it. Russian. Okay, that'll work there. Okay, water still coming through because I still have the water on. So water coming through that. So next step is tip. I'm gonna have to find something small to open that tip up. But I'm also looking to see if I have another tip somewhere. Give me a second to look around and see if I see another wand with a tip on it. Okay. So here's what I did. Took the air and I blew air through it. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a little bit of light coming through it. Now, if this is all wrong with it, man, somebody gonna be bad. Well, they ain't gonna know. They threw it away and I picked it up. Okay. Okay, so let's put this back. Cool. Oh, you need to see the water come out, huh? Ain't no hell of a stream, but oh yeah, I cut the water off. Shoot. Okay, I gotta cut the water back on. Then we're gonna plug it back up. We finna try it again. Alright. Also gotta put a gasket in there. Okay, water back on. Let's hit this. Hey, that'll work. A good little spray, huh? Okay. Plug it back up. Let's cut the motor back on. Let's hit it. Oh, you can't beat that. That was just trash. That's pretty good power too. Oh yeah, you can't beat that. They got pretty good power. Also, I gotta watch the SR, so hey, I like that. Nice freebie. You know, so I put a gasket in that other one over there, and I'll be good to go. Guess I'm gonna have to do some washing today. And they must sell other tips, so I'm gonna look online because I see up here they had like where they put other tips. Although I like the one I got. Okay. Sun Joe. Freebie. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.